Future-proof your career with AI in data engineering. Did you know that by 2025, AI-powered data engineers earn 40% more than their peers who ignore AI tools? And companies using AI in data workflows see 3x faster decision-making. If you're still relying on manual pipelines, you're racing against a self-driving Ferrari. Let's fix that. Welcome. I'm DevLumin, and today we're unlocking how AI is rewriting the rules of data engineering. From automating grunt work to predicting trends before they happen, AI isn't just the future. It's your ticket to staying indispensable. Let's dive in. Data engineering is exploding, but here's the reality check. 1. Data chaos. Companies drown in unstructured data, emails, sensor logs, social media that traditional tools can't handle. Tail gaps. 67% of engineers struggle with real-time processing demands. 3. Scalability nightmares. Manual pipelines crash when data grows 10x overnight. The last mile problem. Clean data, actionable insights. Teams waste weeks on reports nobody uses. Sound familiar? This is where AI becomes your superhero. Let's geek out on AI tools reshaping the game. Autopilot pipelines. Tools like Fivetran use AI to auto-detect schema changes, cutting setup time by 70%. No more midnight crisis calls. Predictive data ops. Apache Airflow plus AI predicts bottlenecks before they happen. A logistics company reduced downtime by 56%. Smart GitHub Copilot writes 40% of your PySpark code. It's like ChatGPT for data pipelines. Generation. Combine LLMs with your company's data. A bank turned 10,000 PDF reports into real-time risk alerts. No PhD required. Edge AI. Deploy models on IoT devices. A farm/cloud costs by 90% by analyzing crop data locally. Meet ShopStream, a retail startup drowning in 5-hour day of customer data. Their old system took 8 hours to update inventory forecasts. Enter AI. Used TensorFlow extended to auto-clean messy sales data. 2. Trained a model on Snowflake to predict demand spikes. Hello, Black Friday. Deployed AI agents to auto-advertise overstocked items. Result? $2 million saved in 6 months, and their engineers now focus on strategy, not SQL. You could be their next hire. AI automates the boring stuff. It turns data into dollars fast. You don't need to code 24/7. Just think like a conductor, not a coder. The future isn't coming, it's here. Adapt or get automated. Love this? Smash like and tell me below, what's your #1 AI data challenge? Struggling with RAG? Hate fine-tuning? Let's troubleshoot. Don't forget to binge my AI engineering playlist. Next up, no-code AI for data nerds. See you there?